Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your referral code on Cash App. So, let's get started. Here we are on Cash App, which is a full-service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, a card where you can spend that balance, a peer-to-peer payment screen, and you can also invest in Bitcoin and stocks. Cash App offers a referral code feature, and if you go to the notifications in the bottom right corner, you'll find more information about this. You can see I have 64 pending invitations for the invitation bonus. Now, I'm going to show you how to get your own referral code. First, tap the icon in the top right corner, which will display your profile. Towards the middle of the screen, you'll see an option to Invite Friends. Tap on that and it'll show you a list of your contacts. In the top right corner, you'll notice a little share icon. Go ahead and tap that. At the bottom, tap Copy, which will copy your referral code and invite link. Next, I'm going to open a browser and paste the link in there. At the top, there will be some extra text, so let's delete all of that. I'm going to highlight and copy the necessary part. This will direct people to a page where they'll see your referral code along with different promotions. Right now, if someone signs up using my link, they'll receive $5. That's how you can get your Cash App referral code. If you don't have Cash App, you can use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App and we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.